Hi, look at this treasure. I have a Nintendo game pack sold in 1989. Yes. And it's an unopened pack of this Nintendo game pack. It's the Zelda one. There's a Mario one as well, with top secret tips. Wow! Scratch off cards and stickers. 3 scratch off and 2 stickers inside. This product is for fun. No prizes awarded. I will open this in the video. It might be painful for some collectors, but only for you. I'm showing a brand new pack. Here are the 5 cards. As they promised, here's 1, 2, and 3 scratch off cards and 2 stickers. Let's see what we have. It's a punch out card with King Hippo. And here are some tips. Oh no, it's only directions for the game. I have to defeat the fighter. How does it work? There is a possibility to knock him out if I have luck. And here are what I can scratch. Try again. Equals to KOs. Automatic disqualification 3 and you lose. Need 2 for knockout. What's the next one? It's Double Dragon, one of my favorite Nintendo brands. Or not, it's not a Nintendo brand, because it was also released in several other devices. It's again a scratching fighting game, I guess. Yes. I have to play it in the same way. And here's a Mario game. It's Super Mario Brothers. And here you can see how this works. Oh. Alright. Here's the sticker. I have a Bowser, Bullet Bill, and Cheep Cheep. These are fun stickers and I think I will use them if I open this. Oh, and here are the top secret tips. Super Mario Brothers 2. There's a good deal of quicksand in World 2. Notice that the grains move in wave motion. Keep jumping and you won't get sucked under. And there are 33 tip cards and this is number 23. Wow, it must have been very useful when there was no internet to find stuff like this. The Legend of Zelda. Oh, I love this. It looks so good. And let's see the secret tip. It's for Double Dragon. Mission 1. Instead of fighting the third opponent, simply push him off the conveyor belt. I will try this out. Alright, this was the Nintendo Game Pack opening from 1989. I'm not going to play these scratching games right now, because as I experienced, this does not really work anymore. I mean, I think it's too old to scratch them down. I have already opened some, but I can make a quick try with this screwdriver. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. It does not work anymore, unfortunately. It's too old, so we cannot play. Anyway, I hope it was fun and interesting to open a 26 or 28 or more like 27 years old game pack. I have some more in stock, but I will keep them for my collection.